Okay, now we are going to discuss about an important model. Here, 2 point charges plus q comma plus 4q are placed at a distance x apart. A third charge is so placed that all three charges are in equilibrium. Then find the unknown charge. So here in this problem, any two charges cannot be under equilibrium with the influence of electrostatic forces. So there must be another charge is required to keep these all three charges in equilibrium. So we want to find out that unknown charge. Okay, this is plus q charge and this is plus 4q charge. According to problem, they are separated by a distance how much? X. For example, let the third charge is nothing but, let us assume the third charge is to be placed is q3 to keep all the charges in equilibrium. That charge is always positive. That is positive. Let us assume that is positive. For example, if I place that charge in between plus q and plus 4q here, then this q3 charge is in equilibrium. How? The force acting on q3 charge due to this charge, first charge. This is the first charge and this is the second charge, this is third charge. That means F31 is along this direction. The force acting on this q3 charge due to this charge plus 4q, F32 along this direction. So these two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So the equilibrium of q3 is possible. But what about first charge? Is it possible equilibrium of the first charge when the q3 charge is placed in between plus q and plus 4q? Let us check. Force acting on first charge due to this charge, that is repulsion force. So F13 along this direction. Along this direction. Force acting on the first charge due to this charge plus 4q, that is repulsion force along this direction. That means F12. So there is no possibility of equilibrium of charge 1. Let us discuss about forces acting on the two charges. Second charge. Force acting on second charge due to this charge. That means F23 along this direction, repulsion force. Force acting on the second charge due to the first charge, that is F21 along this direction. So whenever we place a positive charge in between plus q and plus 4q, then what happens? Only charge q3 is in equilibrium, but charge q1 and charge q2 are not in equilibrium. So, for example, if this charge is placed left side of these two charges here, then what happens here? Force acting on this charge, Q3 charge, due to first charge along this direction. Force acting on Q3 charge due to this charge, repulsion force along this direction. That means there is no possibility of equilibrium. Whenever this charge Q3 is placed left side or right side of the two charged particles. For example, if we place a charge Q3 here, then the net force acting on this charged particle Q3 is not 0. Let us check. Force acting on charged particle 3 due to this charge F32 along this direction. Force acting on charged particle 3 due to this charge F31 along this direction. That is repulsion force. So there is no possibility. So the positive charge, because of the presence of positive charge, these three charges are not in equilibrium. These three charges are not in equilibrium. For example, if we take negative charge, what happens? This is plus Q and this is 4Q. If the negative charge Q3 is negative, Q3 is negative, then force acting on third charge due to this charge, attraction force along this direction. Force acting on third charge due to this charge, that is attraction force along this direction, F32. Here also this is F31 along this direction. That means here charge Q3 is in equilibrium. Now let us discuss equilibrium of first charge because of two charges. For example, force acting on the first charge due to this charge, negative charge. That means F13, attraction force. That is attraction force. F13 is along this direction. Force acting on the first charge due to this charge, F12 along this direction. So these two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite direction. Net force is 0, so that charge 1 is in equilibrium. Let us check here. Force acting on second charge due to this charge, minus charge, that is attraction force, F23, that is attraction force. Force acting on plus 4Q charge due to this charge, that is repulsion force, that is along this direction, that is F21. Here also we notice that these two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Net force acting on second charge also 0. So equilibrium of the second charge also possible. Right. That means what type of charge is placed to keep the all charges in equilibrium? That is negative charge. That is a negative charge. Introduction of positive charge cannot be kept all the charges in equilibrium. All the charges kept in equilibrium. Right. So we choose negative charge. Whenever we choose negative charge, then due to that negative charge, all charges Q1, Q2, Q3, first charge, second charge, third charge are in equilibrium. So now we are going to discuss at what place we introduce that negative charge in between plus Q and plus 4Q. That is we are going to derive. Now let us consider equilibrium of Q3 charge. This Q3 charge is placed at a distance A, from first charge. So this is x. What is this distance here? The distance between the third charge and second charge is nothing but x minus a. X minus a. Now, let us discuss equilibrium of Q3. Equilibrium of Q3. Right. What are the forces acting on Q3 charge? F31 along this direction, F32 along this direction. So now first of all, F31 is equal to F32. What is F31 here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q3 divided by, what is the distance between first charge and third charge? A square is equal to F32 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 into 4Q divided by x minus a whole square. Okay? Right. Here both sides what get cancelled? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cancel. Q cancel. Q cancel. Okay. Now here Q by a square. Q also cancel. Now x minus a whole square by a square is equal to, what we get here? 4. So that means x minus a by a whole square is equal to 4. Whole square is equal to 4. X minus a by a is equal to 2. X minus a by a is equal to 2 square root. So x minus a is equal to a, x is equal to 3a. So a is equal to how much? X by 3. A is equal to how much? X by 3. That means when we place third charge at a distance x by 3 from the smaller charge, then in that situation there is a equilibrium possible. Equilibrium of 3 charges is possible. Now, how much amount of charge we place? What is the value of Q3? What is the value of Q3? Here we want to find out the value of Q3. For that, let us consider equilibrium of Q1. Equilibrium of Q1. Equilibrium of Q1 means F12 is equal to F13. F12 is equal to F13. That means force acting on the first charge due to second charge is equal to force acting on the first charge due to third charge. So here F12, that means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, the force acting on the first charge due to second charge, Q into 4Q divided by x square is equal to force acting on the first charge due to third charge, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, okay, Q into Q3 divided by a square. Right. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon, 1 by 4 pi epsilon cancel. So here Q3 by a square is equal to, what we get here, and also Q cancel, 4Q by x square. 4Q by x square. So here Q3 divided by, what is the value of a here? A is equal to x by 3. A square is equal to x square by 9 is equal to 4Q by x square. Right. That means here 9 Q3 divided by x square is equal to 4Q by x square. X square get cancelled. Q3 is equal to how much here? 4Q by 9. The value of Q3, that is negative charge. So minus 4Q by 9.